Hi, today is the 16th of August and we will look at the Nifty today and another stock. Excuse me. So the Nifty, as you can see, has been pretty strong and has been rising continuously, making higher tops, higher bottoms. And the other thing to note down is that there was a big sell-off on Friday, which made a nice reversal bar. If you look at the momentum, this is 14 period momentum. Momentum has been continuously going down. And in fact, momentum has already given a sell signal on the Nifty. So where does the wave count stand? Now, the wave count is possible that this was a severe sell-off. Then this is A, B, or C, or this could be wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. In either case, there should be a correction in the Nifty, and if it is wave 3, Nifty should correct slightly in wave 4 to around 10,600 or so levels. The confirmation of this correction will begin when Nifty closes below this trend line, which could happen tomorrow or day after. But if Nifty takes support on this trend line and starts to go up again, then this uptrend is still not over. So we have to watch very carefully. So on the two wave counts, on the bullish wave count, this could be a wave 4 here and then wave 5 to newer highs. On a bearish wave count, the ABC is over and we are going much, much lower. So these two options remain on the table and we should be careful on our long positions the next 2 or 3 days and see what happens. The rise from this low definitely looks like a wedge, like an ending diagonal, and this is more pronounced on the Nifty futures chart than on the Nifty cash chart. Let me see. So this is the Nifty futures chart, which definitely shows a wedge pattern for the wave C. Obviously, the confirmation comes on a break of this trend line, which is at 11,052. So friends, there is no confirmation as yet that there is going to be a downtrend. The confirmation is right in front. So the price action for the next 2 or 3 days will tell us what is finally going to happen. This is just a setup, a very nice setup, and maybe it may work out to the downside. And finally, a very quick look at one of the strongest bank stocks, HDFC Bank. Had a very nice impulsive fall, then followed by a three-wave rise, and then another impulsive fall, and then another three-wave rise here. So this looks like a completed correction, and the stock is ready to move back to the downside. We'll look at the retracement. How much is it done? It's done again around, should be around 78. Let me see. Yeah, just less than 78. And therefore, this looks like wave B was over here. Then this is wave 1, and this is wave 2, and wave 3 down is starting. So the market looks pretty interestingly poised for a downturn. And the next couple of days is going to be very interesting and informative as to the confirmation of this downturn. Again, look at the momentum. Momentum was continuously diverging in wave Y of B and is going down and down. So that is all for today, folks. Have a great weekend. Bye.